Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Today is a quick one. Bitcoin's price action this weekend remains quiet, as expected. Volume is low and will likely see a resolution out of this range once the new week begins on Monday. Historically, February has been a strong month for Bitcoin. Over the last 12 years, the median February performance is plus 15.32%, making it one of the best performing months. Interestingly, only 2 Februaries out of the last 12 closed red, 2020 and 2014. October, with a median performance of plus 21.20%, is the only month with similar bullish momentum, also showing just 2 red closes in the past 12 years. Looking at the one-week liquidation heat map, there's a key target at $107,450. In addition to this, we're seeing short liquidity building up around $108,200. This creates an intriguing range from $107,000 to $110,000 that's ripe for short liquidations. If Bitcoin moves upward, this area could be significant for traders. On Friday, Bitcoin ETF inflows painted a bullish picture, with total flows reaching an impressive $517.7 million. Major players like iShares, Fidelity, and ARK led the charge with inflows of $155.7 million, $186.1 million, and $168.7 million, respectively. This wave of institutional buying is certainly a factor to keep an eye on as we approach critical price levels. For now, my trades, opened around 104,000 to 105,000, are in play. I'm closely watching the range around $107,000 to $108,000 as a potential exit zone. If we approach these levels, I'll be sharing my updates in real time over on my free Discord. Link is below. If this quick update added value for you, please leave a like. It really helps. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to stay updated on Bitcoin's price action and analysis. And see you in the next one.